What's your name? You have to tell me your name first.
Cassidy. Cassidy.
Show me the birthday calendar. And where's your birthday?
Yeah.
Cassidy's birthday.
I have a mommy's birthday. Yeah.
So what do you want for your birthday?
Present, cake, creamers, and goodie bags.
Goodie bags.
Yeah, until today, my birthday.
What does your mom want for her birthday?
I think present, creamer, and cake.
How do you exercise?
Here I go. Here I swing. I love swing. I love swinging. No, that's not mine. This is yours. Here I go. Here I swing.